I'm going to be showing you how you can easily order carryout or delivery online from Little Caesars. Now, all you're going to need is this app. It does not cost any money, and when you open it, you can actually see it'll bring you to this page right here where you basically want to select your country. Once you've selected your country, you can actually see there's only a few different options. If you're not in one of these countries, you can actually use other apps, or it just might not be available in your country. But you basically click continue a few times, and you can allow notifications, and you can basically use this app to actually view the menu, exclusive deals, or just order online on this app. You can see if we click on deals right here, you can see what deals are currently in play. You can see you can get 20% off these double pizza with a drink. And another cool thing about this app is you can even earn points. So the more times you order using the app or just add your points to the app, then you can actually earn customer rewards, so you can get free food just within the app. Now, once you've done this, you want to create your account, just clicking on the reorder option. And once you've created an account, you can just click on the order option in the bottom middle of the screen, and you can choose pickup or delivery depending on what you want to do. It works the same way once you click on one. In this case, I want to get pickup, so I'm going to click on it, and then you can see we can give it access to our location in this app if you want to, or you can actually just type in your zip code if you don't want it to actually view your precise location at all times. And once you've actually put in your location, you can see we can click on any of these if you want to do takeout or delivery, and you can actually make this your restaurant, meaning that once you actually order from this app, this will basically be your default. It's always easy to change in the order, but you can see right here, you can click on the plus, customize any of these pizza options, the things that you want to order, carry out, or delivery. You can add multiple, add double, triple, and even scroll down to actually view all of the deals. And once you've actually done, you can see I have to check out here, and you can add more items if you want. And you can actually see, click on checkout, and you can put your first name, last name, phone number, and if there is a limitation when it comes to you actually picking up or delivering your food to your house. And you'll be able to see your order summary just on this page. You can see if you want to change the delivery time or change the payment method. You can do this all on this page like so, or if you want to leave a tip and so on. It's really easy to do. And once you've done that, you can simply pay for it with Apple Pay or your card or in person at the place. And that's all you need to do. And if you want to view your past orders on this app, you can always just go back to the home screen and simply click on the reorder option if you want to view past orders, just to re-add it or re-edit orders that you may have done in the past. That's all you need to do to use this app. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day.